Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, welcome to my next lecture, Grade 9, Chapter 2, Topic Tissue. So, today we will discuss about the connective tissue. As the name indicates, connective tissue. These type of tissue connect and support other tissues of the body. And if we are talking about the function, these tissue provide mechanical support, provide medium for exchange of nutrient and waste product, also act as thermal insulator and store energy, also play an important role in defensive function such as act as a barrier, engulf bacteria and produce antibodies. Now the composition of the connective tissue. First is the collagen fiber. These are the large fiber which are made up of protein collagen and are typically the most abundant fiber which promote tissue flexibility. Second, elastic fiber. Intermediate fibers which are made up of protein elastin and the branching fiber which allow for stretch and recoil. Third is the reticular fiber. Small delicate branch fiber that have some chemical composition of the collagen form structural framework for organs such as spleen and lymph nodes. Now the classification of the connective tissue. First is loose connective tissue, second is dense connective tissue. Loose connective tissue is further of the three types: areolar connective tissue, adipose connective tissue, reticular connective tissue. And dense connective tissue also have three subtypes: dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue and elastic connective tissue. Third is cartilage, which is having hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage. Third one is the elastic cartilage. Fourth is the bone tissue, which is having liquid connective tissue. First one is the blood tissue, second is the lymph. So let's start loose connective tissue. First is areolar connective tissue. They form a loose network in intracellular material. Intracellular material, that material which is present inside the cell. It consists of collagen, elastic fiber, reticular fiber and several kind of the cell. Location. This type of tissue present below the skin fill space between muscles and support blood vessels and nerves in the alimentary canal. Function. It gives strength, elasticity and support to the tissue. So this is the areolar connective tissue. Next is the adipose connective tissue. It consists of adipocyte which store fat. Location. It is present in subcutaneous layer deep in the skin around the heart and the kidney. If we are talking about the function, it prevents heat loss from body, act as a reservoir of energy, it gives shape to the limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs in the body, it protects underlying organ from the injuries. So this is the adipose connective tissue. Next is the reticular connective tissue. It contains reticular fibers and reticular cells. Location. It is present in supporting framework of liver, spleen, lymph nodes, red bone marrow, and it is also found around blood vessels and muscles. If we are talking about function, reticular connective tissue bind together smooth muscles tissue cells and also filter and remove microbes, that foreign microbes in the lymph nodes. Okay, so after that, this is the reticular connective tissue. Now dense connective tissue. We discussed about the loose connective tissue. Now dense connective tissue. In this tissue, fibers are densely packed, compactly packed, and the fiber content which is present in dense connective tissue is very high. Cell content is lower as compared to the loose connective tissue because of lack of space. Dense regular connective tissue, it is a bundle of collagen fiber which are arranged in parallel pattern to provide strength to the tissue. Fibroblasts appear in the rows between the fiber. It is very tough in nature. Location, it forms tendons. Tendons are those structures which attach muscles to the bone, and ligament, that structure attach bones to the bones. Function, it provides strong attachment to the different structure. This is the dense regular connective tissue. After this, dense irregular connective tissue. It contains collagen fiber which are irregular arranged. In the previous regular arranged, in this irregular arranged. That's why known as dense irregular connective tissue. A few fibroblasts appear in the rows between the fibers. Location, it present in dermis layer of the skin. Membrane capsules around the kidney, liver, testes and lymph nodes, heart walls, etc. If we are talking about function, it provides strength to the different organs. Okay, so this is the dense irregular connective tissue. After that, elastic connective tissue. It consists of freely branching elastic fiber. Fibroblasts are present in space between fibers and it is yellowish in the color. Location, it is present in the tissues wall of elastic arteries which have flexibility, trachea, bronchi, bronchial tubes and vocal cords. Function, it allow stretching of various organs. Okay, so this is the elastic connective tissue. After that, cartilage. It consists of network of closely packed collagen fiber and elastic fiber. I told you what is collagen fiber and elastic fiber. The cells of mature cartilage called chondrocytes. Remember that definition. The cells of mature cartilage known as chondrocytes. There are different type of cartilage. First is hyaline cartilage. It is bluish white in the color, which consists of fine collagen fiber and many chondrocytes. I told you what is chondrocytes. Location, it is present at the end of long bones, anterior end of ribs, nose and parts of larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchial tubes. Function, it provides small surface for the movement at joint, provide flexibility and support. This is the hyaline cartilage. You can see the chondrocytes are there. After that, fibrocartilage. It is strongest form of cartilage and the chondrocytes are scattered among the bundle collagen fiber within extracellular matrix. Extra, that means outside the cell. Okay. Location, it is present in intervertebral disc. Intervertebral, that means between the vertebra. Okay, two vertebra. Function, it covers and protect bony structure of the body. So this is the fibrocartilage. Okay, so next is the elastic cartilage. The chondrocytes are located within a thread-like network of elastic fiber within Extracellular matrix. Location, it is present in pinna of ears and the top of the larynx. Function, it provides strength and elasticity and maintain the shape of certain organ such as our external ear. This is the elastic cartilage structure. Okay, so with this slide your dense connective tissue, loose connective tissue and the cartilage topic has completed. So next we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, stay blessed, be happy and thank you.